Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to move columns and rows in QuickBooks Online using the updated 2026 layout. So first, let's open a browser. Head over to quickbooks.com, click Sign In, and log in with your email and password. Once your dashboard loads, we can start customizing how your reports and forms look, because moving columns and adjusting row order can make your workflow a lot faster. Let's start with Reports. Click Reports on the left and open any report. Profit and loss, balance sheet, general ledger, anything. At the top right, click Customize, then open Rows and Columns. Here you'll see the list of columns currently shown in the report. QuickBooks lets you drag these columns up or down to rearrange their order. So if you want description before amount or date at the far right, just drag and drop. When you're done, click Run Report and the layout updates instantly. Now rows work a little differently. QuickBooks doesn't let you drag rows like a spreadsheet, but you can reorder them using Sort. At the top of the report, choose Sort and pick whether you want rows sorted by name, total, account number, or category. This reorganizes the entire report. And if you want permanent row changes, go to Settings, open Chart of Accounts, and adjust account numbers. Reports follow numerical order, so this gives you full control. Next, let's look at invoices, bills, and expenses. Click New and open an invoice. In the item table, click the small gear icon. Here you can show or hide columns, and you can drag the column names to change their order. You can also drag the actual column headers inside the table to shift fields left or right, which makes data entry smoother. For lists like customers, vendors, or products and services, you can simply drag column headers to reorder them, just like rearranging columns in Excel. Before finishing, remember to save your customized report layouts by using Save Customization. This keeps your changes so you don't need to redo them every time, and that's it. That's how to move columns and rows in QuickBooks Online in the 2026 layout. Once you know where these controls are, organizing your workspace becomes way easier and much more efficient. Thanks for watching.